Hi crafty friends, Elise here, the Cheeky Bum, back with another Halloween embellishment box swap, and this one is from Sherry. I will link all of Sherry's information down below, but this one has my name on it, and like, look at this swap, like, girl, there's a lot going on. She's outdone herself. So let me open this up real quick. Okay, so look at her card. How cute is this little witch? This is a fun stamp. Like, I really want to be a stamp girly. I just don't know. I'm definitely more of like a colored pencil girly than a marker girly. I have some markers. I just don't, I just don't mess with them very often, but I should, because every time I get a stamped, like colored stamped anything, I just love it so much. But anyway, look how cute this is. Thanks for hosting this fun swap. I've enclosed 2 items for you, purple box and a pumpkin pouch. Enjoy. Thank you so much. This is Sherry. She's Lake Girl, Beach Girl, Craft Girl. Again, I will link all of her information down below, but look how cute these are. Look at this. This is so neat. So this is like just a little pouch. You can put like headphones and stuff like that in it, but she's like Mod Podged this on top, like this doily thing. She's like Mod Podge, just stuck it on here, and she's got this image, and it's got little diamond dots all over it on both sides. It's got this chunky dangle. Well, she's linked all of them onto the zipper. Wow, I think she's made this one. So much fun. Let's see what's in here, girly. Look at, ooh, 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 ooh. So I said it before, like, I love getting these pop, like, bottle top embellishments, because I've been wanting to get into them. I just haven't, but she's got a whole bunch of them here. How cute are they? So cute. And then we have all of these like pendants that she's made. These will be great on some dangles. So much fun. That was what was making it so heavy. So much fun. So excited. I am like so set for next year with stuff. I need to like be joining all of the swaps. And then she's got this cool little box that she's embellished up. She's really good about taking like stuff and altering it. Like, oh, it's like a little drawer. Oh, I'm so excited. Look at this. Oh my gosh. So these are like just different little like pokey type of tools that she's probably got, I don't know, somewhere, Temu, AliExpress, Amazon, something like that. But they have a loop on the end, so that she's put dangles on all of them. This will be so fun to add to my little tool drawer. So I love this little teal one. It says Boo. It's got teal and orange beads. Love that color combo. We have this one that's got all candy corn colored. I love even like the layered up candy corn pom-pom. So much fun. Oh, we have a little pokey tool. Look at this little pumpkin pokey tool. This is a cool bead. Look at this bead. So it's like almost like 3 beads fused together. I don't know, but that's really cool. And then we have this one that's got purple beads on there. And then we have this one. It's got pink. Candy. And then oh, that was just the box. I was like, ooh, there's this one that's just in the box. How fun are these? What a cute little toolbox. That is so cute. I love how she's altered this box, because this is a great little box. And you know us, like us crafty people, like not all of us, but a lot of us, like, will hoard boxes and just like neat stuff, because I have a couple of these type of boxes too, and now I'm inspired to use them. How cute is that? So cute. So cute. Thank you so much, Sherry. Thank you so much. Let me open up this Big Daddy swap. Okay, friends, so we're gonna get into this little pouch thing first. her video is going to be long. So we have this pencil pouch, and she's done these Gemmy stickers. These are from Dollar General because I had gotten them too, and they're so much fun. We have some stuff stuck to it, but that's okay. She's even got little Hey Boo on here. Not quite sure what she's put that on there with. I'm not quite sure. I think it's vinyl, but look at her chunky little keychain she's got on here. It says Halloween, happy, so happy Halloween. Look at this like felted ball. This is really cool. I like that a lot. She's got skulls. She's got gumball beads. She's got one of these little pendants that she makes. All these stars. These are fun stars. I feel like I need to get some of those now. I have some in my cart, my Temu cart. Just all kinds of fun beads. I could dwell on things for far too long, but we'd never get through this little video. So in here, she's got a little Memdex card with this kitty. It's layered up. Okay, it does have her address on here. Oh, and her phone. Cut that out. So it does have her address and phone number on here, so I'm going to cover that up. But look at all this fun stuff. She loves stamping, die cuts, beads, yellow, pink, aqua, all holidays, and chocolate. And oh man, she's got this like packed. We have stickers. I don't want to like, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get everything back in here. Hopefully I can. We have this big pack of pencils. Girly. We have candy. Oh, these are like they're old-fashioned like hard candies, and these are cinnamon. We have this little chocolate bar that she's got wrapped. And then we have rosettes. How fun are those? I love making crepe paper rosettes, and she's got them all glittered up and layered up. Hocus pocus. They're very purple, very witchy, very fun. Now I'm going to have to squeeze all this back into the bag, but I'll do that in a second. All right. So here's her embellishment box. She's got a larger box. Man, and it feels heavy. So she's got all kinds of stuff in here. It's all layered up. She's got one of these wood veneers. I love making these, painting them, and like adding glitter and stuff to them because they're just so much fun. Fun, fun, fun. Ooh, all kinds of fun stuff. So up here, she's got, she's taken one of those like pocket letter card pockets, and she's got like stickers and embellishments in there, little sentiments. So much fun. And she's got them kind of color coordinated. So she's got orange ones over here, pink ones over here, and like purple and black ones over here. I'm not going to take them all out, but that's such a clever and fun idea. I love seeing still seeing new stuff. It's crazy, but this is a very cute and clever idea. I really like that. I'm gonna have to try to remember something like that. Hopefully I can remember. I don't always have a great memory, but this is really cute. Okay, where do we even want to start? I think these were in here. Well, maybe not. I don't know. I guess I'm just going to dive in. And she's kind of color coordinated things. We've seen this in a couple boxes. So over here in the black section, she's got, oh, I see. So we have this little alligator clip, and over back, like behind the Grim Reaper, we have a little tombstone. That is so clever. So cute. She's added sickles. She's added a little bow on here. She's even added glossy accents to the eyes. So cute. Such a clever way of taking like a sticker and like elevating it. We have this little kitty paper clip. We have actually multiple kitty paper clips in here. We have little bows. So yeah, she's taken like little gingham bows. Oh, actually she's made them. So this is a gingham ribbon. She's made a bow because she's got like a little elastic around it, like the easy, simple way. Why not? And then she's just added a sequin on top of it. Very cute. Here's one tied bow. We have a little spider web bow. We have another little kitty. We have ghosty little clothespin. We have, there's another kitty. There's so much in here. So we have some of these pendants that she's made. We have another paper clip. We have skulls. So she's turned these into charms as well. These are just like these, they're like vase filler from Michael's. I have some of these skulls. I have some bones. I have some other things. And she's just screwed one of the, like the screw little head pin, like head pin thingies. I don't know what they're, it's not a head pin, like a loop pin. I don't know. But anyway, she screwed them in there to make them into charms. We have a little kitty, another little bow, lots of bows. We have some wire wrapped beads in here. These little sparkly ones are so pretty. And then down below, she's got, oh, this is like a hidden, it's a hidden paper clip. So that you can like put them on top of bags, anything like that. They're so cute. Planners, anything like that. So let's try to get these back in here all nice and neat. Let's see. She's got this thing loaded up. I think this lays nicely there. And then over here we have green. So we have green bows. We have, she went on a rampage. She just made so many of these embellishments, these bottle cap embellishments. We have a little bees, but she's done them in green. We have some green little star rings. We have some wire wrapped beads, more bows, more bees, a little green charm. We have this little Frankie that is colored on clothespin. We have this Frankie that she's paper pieced, and then another bee, and then another paper clip, hidden paper clip on the bottom. I'm going to leave that down there because, like I said, this is a big guy. I don't want this video to be too long. And then we have blue over here. So we have a blue ghosty that's on a clothespin. We have some pom-poms that she's turned into like charms. We have more of these pendant charms and bottle caps, wire wrapped beads. So many fun little wire wrapped beads. I like that she's bringing a lot of different colors into the holiday, because you don't always see like blue and aqua colored Halloween things. This one's down there. There's another hidden paper clip, and then here's one too. This one's got a charm stuck in there. So these are just silver charms that I think she's just painted, but that's so clever. I don't know why I wouldn't have thought of that, because I like to take like jar lids and stuff that are like silver and paint them with nail polish or whatever other paint I have, alcohol inks and stuff like that. So basically same concept. I don't know why I didn't think about that. And then, yeah, she's got some other little star hoops in there as well. All right, so in this one we have purple. So we have purple bows. We have this little baddie clip. We have more of her embellishments or charms that she's made. A lot of wire wrapped beads and bows. More of those star hoops. I like the star hoops. They're great for adding the dangle string onto whatever clip you're using. That's usually how I use them. More wire wrapped beads, charms, little bats. So this, I believe, I could be wrong. So it's a little wooden bat, but I think this is the top of one of the little food picks. And it could be from Dollar Tree. It could be Dollar General. Who knows? There's multiple ones that are on like the little wooden picks. And I think that she's taken it off and just added one of the little screw hooks on the bottom of it to make it into a charm. How cute. And it will hang upside down. How stinking cute and clever. Some more beads. More hidden bookmark, like paper clips. She likes to make those. So yeah, just so much fun stuff. So much fun stuff. Over here we have pink. Look at, oh, she's got the little spider hanging from this one. More pom-pom charms. Oh, that one's cute. Look at the kitty. More hidden paper clips. More of the little star jump rings. These are so cute though. Like, you're all set. You can use them in planners, books, as bookmarks, Bible, any, like, you could use it for anything. Those in anything. More of these little ghosty bows. I love these. This is like orange and pink. A little Dracula. I love how she's done that, like kind of layered it up. So when you're clipping it on something, it's like multi-dimensional. So you have your little vampire. You got the moon behind him, like a full moon, and a little bat. That is really clever. I have a little pokey tool. I like how she's used just like the little foam ball as her little stopper. More of these charm and embellishments. We got more bows. We have wire wrapping. Oh, I love the stars. I love stars. We got pumpkins, little clay beads, bows, little paper clips, hidden paper clips. So many of these little cute little bows. These will go so well with a little boo thing. More wire wrapped beads. So many wire wrapped beads and hidden paper clips. Love them. Like, this box is like, it's got such a good variety of things. And I love how she kind of color coordinated things so you can grab things out. This one has all like light pink stuff. So we have light pink charms and beads, like and purple, like Pastel-Halloween. Perfect for Pastel-Halloween. So cute. I don't even have enough space in my hand for everything that's in each compartment. It's so cute. Like, yeah, I do. I love how she's painted these. So clever. So clever. I want to try to not bend anything that's paper. And then she has like yellowy orange over here. She's got a little candy corn hanging from this one. Lots of bows. I love this. She's layered up these pom-poms like this. This is so cute. I'm definitely gonna craft lift that. Ooh, I love this. This is like a velvet ribbon. More hidden paper clips. I like her use of like non-traditional things. So like her use of like table scatter type of sequence and like the center of bows and stuff. It's so cute and clever. More of these embellishments. We have more of the wire wrapping, little candy corns. So cute. And then last but certainly not least, over here we have silver and gray. So we have a lot of skull stuff, more pom-poms. Look at the cute little scullion. She's got a little flower. We have a silver twine, little mummy. Love these little beads, skulls, silver. Another little bookmark or paper, hidden paper clip, whatever you want, and more of the little stars. Wow, Sherry. Like this is like a never-ending box. There's so many good things in here and such a wide variety. You are very creative with stuff. I love the way you did it. I love how even like simple you tied your little bows using ribbon with just using the little elastics. Like, so cute, so clever. Make sure you give Sherry some crafty love, and we will see you in the next swap reveal. Bye, guys.